Good morning, guys. I can't speak too loud because my mother is sleeping, and I can't speak too low because Mohala is playing, and I can get copyrighted if you guys can hear too much. Okay, so what am I doing? Making coffee for myself right now because I love coffee, and in these days during my midterms, I have been waking up consistently on the days of my exam at 4 a.m. So now waking up at 4 a.m. is no big deal for me. But like usual, I will be posting Dojo vlog. Issue is, I will be resuming my vlogging or from Ponchumi properly because I have exams till Chaturthi. I have my last exam on Chaturthi. So there is no way like I can, you know, do anything. I can vlog. Sorry guys, I almost fell down. I can talk to you guys on vlog because even till yesterday I was studying like a madman psychology because my psychology teacher was like, I want to make you guys fail. Why does this look like I want to make you guys fail. So I'm gonna make the question paper very hard. And I have this mentality that I want to top psychology. I want to get first in class. So obviously that ain't happening if I study less. So I'm studying a lot. But I wanted to have coffee. So let me just go make some coffee. Now you must be wondering what I will do being awake at 4 in the morning. Honestly speaking, I have no idea. I have no. I have two things planned. One is making that YouTube shorts that I make every year for Durga Puja and clean my study table. I cleaned my study table properly. You guys saw it also when I was and my board has just gotten over. My 11th has gotten till a like class. My midterms are happening. Half the semester is gone and I've not cleaned it at all. And I'm not. They like Durga Puja thing. Clean. So I'm gonna clean it right now. At 4 a.m. I'm probably gonna be doing it. Let me clean my study table at least. Let me do something productive. I keep going out of the frame because I'm not using a tripod. I'm just setting the camera anywhere. I can just find something to like keep it on. Stay. Anyways, I'm just gonna have my coffee, rest for some time, relax, then clean my cupboard, which I will probably show you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. For now. By the way, it's still dark outside, and this room has only one light bulb, and it's no other source of light. So this is till the sun even rises a bit, which the sun rises around 5:15 in my area. So you don't get much sunlight earlier, but I'm just gonna clean and then hopefully I will at least clean one. I'm just gonna drop all the books on the bed. I have nothing to do more. I don't have any plan. Then I'm gonna think, acha, I'll keep this in this area, this in this area, this is going here. So I've shifted to my room, which is not my room currently, but I need to clean that study table right there. I need to clean that. It looks clean from the outside, it's not. And guess what, guys? So, yesterday? Yesterday? No, day before yesterday, they were selling teddy bears at the below my house. So my dad bought me this guy. This guy's name is Rangila. I always name my teddy bears, and my mom named him Rangila. He's adorable. I have made him a he. I put gender on my dolls. So Rangila. Wait, let me put out the name for my teddy bears. Fluff, fur. This is Rangila. He likes, a lot of things. And Rangila is, you are just a new member to our household. I will probably take Rangila to my mama's body. I will take a soft toy to my mama's body because I cannot sleep without a soft toy. I need to always hug something. I need something under my chin when I'm sleeping. So I'm like this. When I sleep like this, by the way. But I need to start cleaning because trust me, this thing I'm gonna deep clean. I'm gonna take, cloths and wipe it and everything. I'm genuinely very worried. That's why I'm screaming. Because I don't speak usually this loud when I'm vlogging. I speak much more, lower than this. But the reason I'm screaming is because they're playing Bohola from 3 different speakers. I'm hearing a fusion, number one, and number two is that I can get very easily copyrighted if this thing gets a bit louder. So I'm screaming, trying to make sure that this doesn't really affect my YouTube. But it's there. And also this year not making mini vlogs because I cannot. I'm gonna be too busy studying. I'm probably gonna forget to vlog. I'm gonna realize it. Like suddenly at the middle of the day, I'm gonna be only studying cognitive psychology, and then suddenly I remember, oh goodness gracious, I forgot to vlog. But yeah, the reason I'm keeping Rangila inside is because I don't want him to get dirty. Where I live, like my teddy bears get dirty. No, why is your head? Okay, there it is. Okay, let's start cleaning. I don't know why I spoke for 3 minutes straight. This thing needs cleaning. I have been cleaning the bookshelf for a long time. I'm in my study table. And I cannot anymore. I am very tired. I have just cleaned this part, then that's on the top. And I have to clean up this junk which I have on the floor. I have to clean this, brother. I have to clean this. And me and my mom joke that this is bhag jayega because this cupboard situation is that if a tiger is inside, the tiger would die. We would not be able to know that there's a tiger inside. I have to get to work, but the best part is light is out. It was dark till now, but light is now out. It's around 5:15, like I told you guys. I'm not even joking. 5:18. It's currently, and light is out. How do I know? Because I've been waking up for 4 a.m. Continuously for these days during my midterms, so I know that light comes out at 5:15. I am awake at that time, even though most of my family members are sleeping. If my baba feels like being awake, he wakes up, or else he's sleeping also. I am done cleaning the bookshelf. Ta-da! It's very clean. I have taken out a lot of books that I don't need anymore. I'm tired and I'm hungry, which I will make myself something to eat. I don't know what I'm gonna make myself. I'm just gonna probably take out ready-made food. Hi guys, today is my last exam. I am very happy that my exam is ending because it started. My practical started on 25th of August. I'm just studying straight. Yesterday they were playing songs, lights for Durga Puja and everything go on, and I did not feel like studying, but I studied. Currently gonna revise right now, and I don't know, come home and sleep. I have no plans for today's evening because tomorrow we are going. College. We haven't even decided which pandals we want to visit. So I don't know. I'm gonna come home, make a short list of all the pandals we want to visit. Then probably, by the way, on my psychology exam, I was giving it, and literally three bumps, not three or four bumps on my detector. Like one here, two here, three here, four here. I literally, for some reason, they were literally little bumps, and I think it was probably because I was not taking care of my skin. But yeah, what I don't know why I turned on the camera. I'm just gonna study right now, go to bed, or go to sleep. I want to go to sleep. I have been waking up for 4 a.m. Continuously on the days I have exams. And those days, what happens is that I don't get enough sleep because I go to sleep at 10:30 because I fall asleep at 10:30. It's my normal time to go to bed. But I wake up at 4 a.m. I'm gonna come home today. Probably pack a bit, then plan out a bit, edit the vlog. Probably I'm gonna end the vlog today only. Tomorrow I'll start another vlog. Panchami I think will have a separate vlog because it's just pandal hopping. Panchami and Shoshti maybe I'll merge those two. Next comes what's the next day? Shoptami and Ashtami I might merge because Ashtami might vlog less. Shoshti and Ashtami I'll vlog more because Mohu is coming over. And Shoptami, Navami, Dashami, I will probably merge as well. So that's it. Oh my god, Pujo is here and I got the vibe. Issue is I was studying while I was getting the vibe. So I'll study right now and I will see you all later after I give my exam. Then I'll probably look dead. So I'll probably talk to you guys later. But for now, bye. I came home after giving my exam. Then I fell asleep and then I drew. And right now it's night, it's 10 o'clock, and I'm reading Love Sam. And I'm on chapter, I think, 9. And I'll read till 12, chapter 12. This book. I don't think I'll cry after reading this because a lot of people said they've cried. But I don't think I'm a type to cry over a book. What I but I think this is the end of the Puja vlog part 1. Tomorrow is Panchami and Shoshti I'll merge. Shoshti and Panchami. Tomorrow we are going pandal hopping. And that's it. So goodbye. Thanks for watching and please wait for the other parts. Bye.